Oh wait, I gotta start over. Okay, we're at the coop. Let's see what's going on in here.
Back. Everybody back.
Oh, there's everybody. We got the ducks. Oh wait, I get the ones over there. Watch out, ducks. All right, guys. Going night-nights? All right. See you in the morning. Night, guys. Casper.
Don't talk to him, okay? He's gonna be going nuts now.
Okay. Watch, I'm videoing. All right, let's see who's home in the barn. Irene! Hi, pretty girl. Hi, let's close the door. Oh, were you sleeping? Hi, beauty. Hi, beautiful girl. You're so pretty. Oh, who's over there? Who's over there? Who? Oh. Hi, Dooley. Hi, big guy. Everybody tucked in tonight? Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You scratch your nose? Hi, cutie. All right, there's Mr. Dooley. And there's Mr. Lucky. Y'all snuggled in, Luck? You better not be breaking out tonight. Oh, you scared him. Hi, big boy. All right, who's next? All right, good night, Dooley. Ah, there's Callie Oscar. Hi, Callie Oscar.
I'm sure there's probably another one under here, probably.
Where's your little friends?
Okay.
There she is. There's the other Callie
That's the same
Oscar.
one.
Is anybody in the condos? Oh, nobody's in there. Oh, I forgot the catnip.
Here.
She likes it. Let's see if she likes the catnip. Ooh. What's the matter, Luck? You trying to get to the hay bale? There she goes. Which condo are you going to go in? She's not sure which one.
There's the other one.
Night, Luck. There's the other Callie Oscar. Hi, Mo. Hi, buddy. What you doing? Everybody's tucked in here tonight. It's gonna snow. We're gonna snow. Okay, there's Mr. Mo. And here's Sham. Shamarama. Hi, cutie. He is such a good old boy. Oh, and there's Eli. Ah, now you got a partner over here. You got Mr. Peanut. Hi, Peanut. What you doing there, buddy? Hi. Oh, the light is bright from the camera.
You're like, dude, what are you doing?
All right. Let me go find my Spirit. Where is he? Spirit! Hi, Rain. Who's over here? Is that you, Woody? Hi, Woody. Come here, big boy. Woody. No, Woody doesn't want to be filmed tonight. There's Miss Scary. Oh no, I forgot his Candy.
I got something.
Oh, we got to get your peppermints. All right, we'll be right back. All right, there's Miss Blaze. Blaze and Saddles. Oh, you got a pretty new halter on. Blaze. Oh, I guess the light is too bright for her too. All right. And there's my Spirit. There's my little boy. Hi, cutie. Oh, he's looking so snappy in his new coat. Hi, bud. All right, where's Apollo?
Apollo?
Oh, gosh, not Apollo.
Looks just like
Hi, Scarlet.
Where's this?
She looks so tiny in this stall. There he is. There's Rhett. There's Rhett's butt. Rhett! Come here.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh, Mascari's eating his peppermints. We gotta. And who's in here?
Charm.
Oh, hi, Charm. Hi, Charm. There's a pretty girl. Let's get a good picture. Oh, she's getting a snack.
Nope.
No candy? She's got her ears pinned.
Yo, Rhett.
Does he like her?
I don't know. Come here. Yo, bud.
You better be nice to her, Rhett. Oh, I think he's found a girlfriend.
No? Nobody else likes him?
Oh, come on. Mascari's waiting for another one. I know. We got more candy for you, buddy. Huh?
Is that your camera? Oh, that was your camera. I thought there was...
Come on, he needs another one. Look at, he's still chewing.
Blaze likes him, look.
Separate video. Nope. Okay.